Broccoli is frequently referred to as the king of vegetables, but those who have attempted to cultivate it are aware of the reality. A monarch who is fragile and flimsy. It is maintained for 4 months, during which time you combat caterpillars and snails. You patiently await the formation of the large, stunning green head and subsequently receive precisely 1 entree. From the time the primary head is severed, the performance concludes. The plant experiences a process of withering, bolting, and eventual death. The return on investment is the lowest in the entire garden. However, what if I were to inform you that there is a long-lost cousin of the broccoli family who is unwilling to adhere to these regulations? It does not provide you with a single cranium. It provides you with 9, 12, or occasionally 30 skulls simultaneously. Furthermore, this is the impossibility. The plant does not perish when it is harvested. It becomes enraged. It returns the following year with increased productivity, strength, and size. The Ninstar perennial broccoli is a vegetable that has a lifespan of 5 years. It is a biological device that is intended to provide sustenance during the hungry gap, a period of desperation in early spring when the expenses of groceries are escalating and your garden is barren. However, I must caution you that this plant is equipped with a self-destruct mechanism. It necessitates a particular type of relationship with the horticulturist. If you neglect to harvest for even 1 week in the spring, you will activate a genetic signal that results in the plant's immediate death. A second peril exists. The seed market is inundated with counterfeits prior to the commencement of excavation. Every year, thousands of cultivators are deceived into purchasing counterfeit seeds due to the rarity of this plant. Please remain with me. I will demonstrate how to prevent fraudsters, disable the self-destruct mode, and maintain the functionality of your food engine until 2030 or 2032. We are delighted to welcome you to Reclaim Nature. Let us discuss the cauliflower that believes it is a tree. Let us examine the biology of the vegetable aisle. Almost all brassicas, including broccoli, cauliflower, and romanesco, are annuals. They are engaged in a kamikaze mission. The sole objective of their existence is to generate a sizable floral cluster, which is consumed, blooms, releases seeds, and ultimately decomposes. This is a favorite of contemporary agriculture. It is predictable. Clear the field with 1 seed, 1 head, and 1 harvest. It is beneficial for tractors, but it is detrimental to you. The Ninstar perennial functions according to a distinct set of principles. It is a rare landrace that was developed in Victorian England by cultivators who prioritized food security over industrial efficiency rather than by scientists. This plant distributes its power rather than concentrating all of its energy in a single, massive central crown, a practice known as apical dominance. It generates a substantial central rosette of milky white floret, which resembles cauliflower rather than broccoli, and is encircled by a ring of satellite heads. The plant is not killed. Rather, it is stimulated when the primary head is cut. The dormant buds on the side branches are induced to undergo a massive growth spurt. In reality, you are providing it with sustenance by harvesting it. Additionally, it is not necessitated to be nurtured in the same manner as a seedling due to its perennial nature and extensive root system. It penetrates the weather. It maintains its stability in the face of weather. You are strolling out to a plant that has been established for 3 years, harvesting armfuls of gourmet feuets for free, while your neighbors are tilling their soil and purchasing expensive broccoli transplants every April. Therefore, this is the enigma. Why is this plant not available in every garden center in the United States? Despite the fact that it provides a 500% greater yield than standard broccoli and has a lifespan that is significantly longer, why have you never observed a 9-star rating at Home Depot? The response indicates a conflict of interest within the seed industry. Consider it from the standpoint of profitability. Why would a company sell you a plant that will last forever? Planting Ninstar results in a 5-year harvest. It is unnecessary to purchase seedlings annually. You cease to be a patron. From a business perspective, the sale of this seed is a poor investment. However, this germ is exceedingly difficult to manufacture due to a biological bottleneck. In order to obtain spores from a plant, it is necessary to allow it to flower. However, the 9-star perennial is fatally affected by the act of flowering. If a seed cultivator desires to produce a crop of 9-star seeds, they must sacrifice their most exceptional plants. This results in an increase in price and a decrease in availability. Additionally, this is the snare. The market is inundated with counterfeits due to the scarcity of genuine seeds. Ninstar is sexually promiscuous. Cross-pollination will occur if the seed cultivator has a wild cabbage in close proximity. Consequently, the expense is not the $5 you spent on the packet. Time is the expense. The germ is sown in the spring. Throughout the summer, you tend to it. You safeguard it during the lengthily frigid winter. Nearly an entire year is required to await the initial harvest. Then spring arrives, and nothing occurs. It is revealed to be a leafy plant that is of no use and never produces a head. You have not only forfeited money, but you have also been deprived of an entire year of anticipation. This is the reason why locating a pure strain is not merely a purchasing excursion, it is a survival ability. However, do not be disheartened by this, as upon obtaining legitimate seeds, you will be able to experience a sensation that money cannot purchase. The compensation is the subject of discussion. Why undergo all of this effort for a vegetable? Ninstar is not only a sturdier option, but it is also more flavorful than nearly any other product available. Initially, disregard the term broccoli. That is a misnomer. Visually, it appears to be a milky white cauliflower with a rustic appearance. However, its texture is its greatest asset. Regular cauliflower may be dried and crumbly. When prepared, 9-star is dense, smooth, and nearly creamy. The flavor profile is distinctive. The sulfuric residue of commercial brassicas is frequently sharp, reminiscent of the farty odor of overcooked cabbage. Ninstar is devoid of that sulfurous quality. It is more delicate, nuttier, and sweeter. It has the flavor of a vegetable that has been allowed to develop complex sugars over a long, frigid winter, rather than being pumped full of nitrogen to expedite the sale. Additionally, there is the matter of timing. This is the point at which the plant acquires its moniker, Hungry Gap Hero. Assume that March is the current month. The cost of cauliflower at the grocery store has increased significantly due to supply chain complications. The only thing that your neighbor can observe in their garden is mud and decaying leaves. There is no longer any winter harvests, and the spring crops have yet to commence. It is a nutritional desert. However, you proceed to your garden, remove a light layer of snow from the leaves, and harvest 10 skulls that are immaculately white. While the majority of the world is experiencing a dearth of fresh vitamins, you are indulging in a lavish feast. A single plant has the capacity to generate numerous fist-sized blooms by the 3rd year. This is not merely sustenance. This is influence. It is delectable. It is opportune. It is a survival asset. However, bear in mind the cautionary tale I issued at the outset. This abundance is contingent upon a condition. In order to preserve the plant's life, it is necessary to possess the ability to manipulate its metabolism. In order to maintain the life of a 9-star broccoli for 5 years, it is necessary to develop the skill of greedy horticulture. You are essentially signing the plant's death warrant by leaving a single flower because it is aesthetically pleasing. It is imperative that you develop an unwavering appetite for avarice. It is imperative that you deny the plant any opportunity to reproduce. Its immortality is only maintained by your cruelty. Do you possess the fortitude to chop off the most exquisite flower in order to acquire 5 years of life? The protocol for the complete harvest. Cut the white head as soon as it begins to separate and exhibit small yellow blooms. Remove the primary head and all lateral shoots, including the smallest ones. The plant is compelled to recalibrate its biological cycle by removing its reproductive components. The plant will accept defeat, go dormant for the summer, and accumulate energy in preparation for a significant return the following spring if you are diligent. The norm of planting. This plant is not diminutive. It is a monstrous creature. Avoid overcrowding it. A minimum of 1 square meter or 3 square feet of territory is required for a mature ninstar. It is a substantial feeder. Excavate a substantial pit and fill it with the most abundant compost available. The foundation you are constructing is for a structure that will last for 5 years, not a seasonal shelter. Finally, what is the most effective method for combating the seed scam? Avoid purchasing from generic megastores. Their supply chains are excessively open. It is imperative to seek out specialized heirloom seed banks or small-scale producers who explicitly specify pure strain or isolated stock. Search for reviews that verify that the plants actually produce white blooms following the overwintering period. It is a treasure quest, but the reward is well worth the effort. We have been instructed to regard food as a transient commodity. We acquire it, consume it, and it is subsequently eliminated. A distinct philosophy is embodied by the 9-star perennial broccoli. It symbolizes impermanence. It is not merely horticulture to have a plant in your backyard that produces hundreds of meals over a half-decade in a world of increasing food prices and supply chain uncertainty. It is a source of prosperity. It converts your soil into a bank account that generates interest each spring. It is difficult to locate the germ. Discipline is necessary for its development. However, when you first harvest a basket of creamy feuettes while the world awaits truck cargoes, you will comprehend the situation. You did not merely plant a broccoli, you also planted independence. The architect from reclaimed nature is represented here. Do not allow the blooms to be present. Maintain the soil's fertility, and I will see you tomorrow.